Traders, I'm resuming a video as I took a second entry long multiple test. Okay, and we got filled. So this was very fast. So this setup was a visual 2-leg pullback. As you can see, we have uptrend working higher. So my main focus is only on long opportunities. We have one leg down, break, second leg down. We either have tiny overshoot or I can draw a little bit wider. But what is important here to focus on is how long we're going sideways. The important thing, how we're going sideways, because you don't only have EMA rejections, you also have the support that is coming into play. And this is important. One bounce, second bounce, third bounce. So this is second entry long multiple test, second entry long multiple test, and everything aligned. We wait for price action to correct to the key entry point, which is the EMA. The uptrend, according to trendline rule, needs to get new high. So we had clean uptrend. We actually had one leg down, break, second leg down. So we had downtrend, double trap, push to new low, reversal. So we are thinking about buying. And you can see the visual aspect to like a pullback. It is also technical second entry long, great tier 1 signal bar. And you have two key entry points. The more key entry points you have in price action, the better. I have EMA and I have the multiple test. So I bought at the bottom, which is good because you want to buy at the bottom of the trend range. New high was expected. Everything aligned in price action. Just like here, you can see you have downtrend working lower. You wait for the correction at the key entry point. This is where brand new push phase will start. Uptrend working higher. You wait for the correction at the key entry point. This is where brand new push phase is about to start.